Here's how to make a game pass in Roblox. Follow this update method to create or make game pass for your Roblox game. Open Roblox and make sure to sign into your account. And now click on create. Here click on creations and select experiences. And here you will get all of your created games. And now click on that game where you want to create or make a game pass. And now scroll down to this left hand menu. Under monetization section, you will get passes. Click on that. And now select creations and click on create a pass. And now you can upload an icon for the game pass by clicking on change, and your icon or image format must be in JPG or PNG or BMP format. Now enter here the game pass name. Write here a description and click on create pass. And here we can see the pass has been created. And now again click on the pass and click on sales. And if you want to sell the game pass, you have to enable item for sale. And enter here the Robux amount. And you will earn 70%. Then click on save changes. Once it's saved, I'm going back from here. And now I'm going to click on this three dot, open in new tab. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a game pass. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.